guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, so this is chapter 28. Let's start reading. Chirping. Ay, marunong siyang manampay. Bakit bamboo yung sampayan nila dati? Ano? Di ba na ano yan? Lumuluma din yan. The laundry is done and the firewood is chopped. Everything's settled. Kasi settled niya before siya nagbebenta sa market. And I'm going to the temple for a while. Why are you going to the temple? To pray for Yulang to pass the examination? Wala kayong tiwala kay Yulang? Maybe I should pray for the blessing. So my husband can be more serious in his study and get good result? Isip ka muna. Well, I think it about later after I reach there. The main goal of this trip is to buy land on the mountain. Negosyo pa rin. Mahilig sila sa mushroom, ano? After the new year, Abbott's Jr. should also have returned. May chicken. Mga wild chicken ba talaga yung nasa forest? Di pa ako nakakita ng wild chicken eh. Just in time for me to ask about the land's price. And as for lunch, Ning Shang will be here to cook it. Go ahead and settle your thing. Remember to come back early. Namimihasa na tong matandang to, di ba? Ito yung may leprous na sinave nila, di ba? Hindi na siya umalis. Diyan na siya tumira. Tinanggap pa rin naman nila. You can see how good they were, right? Whew. Haba ng nilakad niya. Kahit ako mapapagod dyan. Sino ka? Whoosh! May nahulog! Salo! Oh my gosh! Where did she suddenly pop out from? Catch. Buti na lang nasalo niya. Layo-layo pa kaya. Tapos parang hindi pa siya maglalanding. Layo pa yung malalandingan niya. I didn't expect to meet you again. Miss, you've saved me again. Wala siyang choice. Nasa harapan mo na siya eh. Kaya sasaluhin ka na talaga niya. Why are you always in trouble whenever I met you? Oo nga, lagi ka na lang nasa-trouble. Your forehead. What happened to your forehead? Did you kowtow all the way up here? Grabe makakoto. Dapat talaga ibabang yung ulo. Yes, I had prayed for my son. And the wish came true. So I'm here to show my gratitude. Praying method is so difficult. One has to kowtow until this before their wish is granted. So hindi mo na lang ipapray yung asawa mo. Hindi mo na lang ipapray over sa liyo lang. Ganon. Miss, are you here to find the abbot too? Yes. Do hurry up. He's in the temple. Otherwise, he will be leaving soon. What about you? What about you? Nahulog ka pa naman. Previously, I felt slightly lazy, probably because I was tired. But I'm fine now. It's just a few miles down the mountain. Bakit siya lang mag-isa? Bakit wala siyang katulong na kasama? Ito pang penitensya nila para matupad yung mga wish. Do you always get dizzy? Hi, doctor strikes again. Mostly in the morning or night, on an empty stomach or after meals. Diba? Parang nagko-consult lang yung doctor. Parang nag-check up lang siya. Mainly in the morning when I wake up, and I'll easily get dizzy on an empty stomach. Oh. Blood sugar. Low blood sugar yan siya pag ganyan. So she might just be suffering from low blood sugar. Tama talaga. Luckily, I brought this with me today. Ganyan din kasi yung mother ko eh. Whenever you feel dizzy, just eat something sweet and it helps. Bait-bait talaga ng doktor na ito. Okay. Kahit nasa ibang na siya. Dimension. This piece of cake is for you. Thank you. I'll leave first, then. Goodbye, madam. Di niya alam, ito yung nag-save sa anak niya. Oo, kasi di sila nagkakilala, di ba? She's the same age as Guyan. But has to work but to work so hard for a living. I wonder how her parents are treating her at home. Go din siya, ano? Akala ko ba Marcus yon? Bakit go ang gamit? Marcus Temple, ganon. I already informed my junior about your purchasing of the mountains land. He said that if you are serious about buying the land, we could sell it to you. Aba. As for the price, it might be slightly higher. Slightly, so magkano kaya? How much was it before? I can't afford to be reckless when spending the money. Oo nga naman, dapat ano ka. Tama yung strategy niya. Hindi niya sinabi yung pera niya, pero tinanong niya kung magkano. 249 tails. And now, 250 tails. Slightly different nga. Langya to. Shit. I didn't bring enough money. I seriously suspect your junior is trying to take advantage of me. Take advantage. 250, 249, 250. Sir, I didn't bring enough money with me right now, so I'll come back later. All right. Abbott, the family that is going to adopt Jinkong, said they wouldn't come anymore. Why? Didn't they agree to adopt him today? Jinkong. Di ba yung kalbo na bata, no, Smiley? The madam was just found pregnant, and just last night, the doctor swore that the baby was a boy. It seems there is no chance of living here anytime soon. That's okay, baby boy. Currently, I only have around 200 tails on hand. Ay, konti na lang pala anuhin mo, 50 tails na lang. All of it is not enough to buy the mountains land. Konti na lang yan, oy. I've not collected my previous consultation fee yet, and it's quite a large sum. Oo nga, kunin mo na yun. I've used the least 3 adrenaline shots, and those few boxes of anti-heart failure medicine were all left with me. Few boxes? Marami pa rin. I don't care. I need to get my hands on the second head and demand more consultation fees this time. Oo nga naman. Miss Go, what brings you here? I'll make you a pot of tea. Bait-bait mo ngayon ah. Oo, kasi laki ng tanggap nila, di ba? I'm not here for the tea. I'm here to collect my consultation fee. Aba, it's rhyme. Toroy-toroy ni Oteng. Alright, how forgetful of me. Char. The Marco sent someone to pay us the consultation fee just now. I've already prepared your share. Parang konti lang yan. Konti lang yan, Besh. That's great. With all this money, I have enough to buy the land. Happy na siya. Miss Go, please take rest here. The second head would like to thank you in person. So mag-wait siya doon. Oh no, I've lost my jade pendant. Huh? You've lost it? Is that the pendant that his lord gave to you? Didn't you wear it when you left home today? How come it's gone? I might have dropped it somewhere. Ano ba yan? Tanga-tanga mo naman, girl. Char. Driver, turn around and go back to the rejuvenation hall. Yes, miss. Shopkeeper, are you in? My lady lost her jade pendant. Quick, get someone to search for it. Jade pendant. Hala, baka katulad ng jade pendant na meron si si Gu Zhao yung bigay ng president. Oh my gosh, baka pagbintangan pa siyang nagnakaw. Ikakarating niya lang, diba? Anyway, that's the end of the chapter 28. See you in the next chapter, guys. We'll see what will happen. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye!